I've just checked the naughty list and you're definitely on it.